So part of what I'm doing out here today, there we go. Part of what I'm doing today is removing stumps, and see if the camera will follow me. The stump that I have identified located right there. Anyway, there's a little orange flag. It's a stump. I'm going to try to dig it up. The camera is far enough back, close to a tree, so that I don't run into it with the skid steer. Fingers crossed. So this is where I pause and find out that the camera wasn't recording. So what you missed was very entertaining. All of this was covered up. There's a large root that extends out that way that I pulled loose. There's a large root that extended this way and I thought went under the tripod that I pulled loose. Doesn't really want to cooperate with me today. Wow. Okay. We'll try this again, but we zoom in, and apparently I can't tilt down. As you can see right there, that's the orange flag. I don't know why. I keep touching the right buttons and it's not doing the right thing. You can still see that the flag is standing. Oh, say, can you see? I've dug up lots of stuff. I'm going to try this again. I've moved 3 times. I make them around to this side and attack it from this direction. Okay, so I have no idea how well this is going to work. I gave up on the gimbal. I don't need a gimbal for a steady shot, so my phone is lashed to my tripod with a big twist tie that I found in the parking lot yesterday. So I'm going to go move the skid steer. We're going to try for this stump, which I think will be a failure because it's rather large. out of the hole. I'm gonna go work on something else. So we've had a visitor again. We haven't seen very many cats, but we know that there are bobcats in the area, so I'm wondering if these are bobcat paws. They seem a little small, but you know, they gotta start somewhere. I cut a little drainage ditch for the low spot in the road, and today I didn't do a very good job with drainage ditch, but it is all dry, and we have some new animal tracks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.